Then Mr. Eisenhower is sworn in by the Chief Justice of the United States.
Dwight D. Eisenhower, do solemnly swear.
I, Dwight D. Eisenhower, do solemnly swear
That you will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States.
that I will faithfully execute the office of the President of the United States
And will, to the best of your ability,
and will, to the best of my ability,
preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
So help you God.
So help me God.
A hand clasp symbolizes the constitutional transfer of the presidency.